Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make super jump in CapCut. So let's get started. First, create a new project with the clip you're gonna use. Now, look for the part in the video where you jump off from the ground. And once you've found that part, split it. And then find the part where your body is no longer in the frame. Then split. Now delete that part. Now go back to the part where you jumped. Then put the video in full screen and take a screenshot. Once you've done that, head over to the photo room app. Click start from photo, then click the screenshot you just took, and it will automatically remove the background. Then click confirm. From here, click transparent. Then click layers. Then object. Now scroll down and look for blur. Click it and it'll show you some options and you want to select motion. After that, click done. Then click done again. Then export. Click maybe later. Then click save to gallery. Now once it's saved, go back to CapCut and insert the picture you just saved. Now click on it and then click overlay. Then adjust it so it matches the video. Then adjust the length of your overlay. Now add a keyframe at the start of the overlay and at the end of it. At the end keyframe, you're gonna want to drag the overlay upwards so it looks like the character or the person is disappearing from the video. Now we can add the groundbreaking overlay. Now put it below your feet and adjust the length of it. Now head over to adjust and adjust these settings so it looks a little bit more realistic. And once you're done with that, we can now add the dust particle overlay. Adjust the length. Now click on splice and select filter. Now adjust it. Make sure to put it right above the crack. After this, you can add sound effects to make it more realistic. And yeah, you should have something like this now. It doesn't look the best, but you get the idea. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.